After a long, tiring week of school or work, sometimes we all need is to relax, sit back, grab some snacks, and enjoy a good movie. There's something magical about watching in the cinema. The big screen, the surround sound, the dark lights. It feels like stepping into another world for a while. And of course, there's one thing that makes the movie experience complete. Popcorn. It is crunchy, buttery, and let's be honest, it is the official cinema food. Whether you are watching superhero fight, a romantic comedy, you'll always see someone tossing popcorn in their mouth between scenes. But here's a fun thought. When you flick that popcorn up and catch it, you're actually doing physics. That tiny, buttery piece of flying through the air? That's projectile motion in action. Yes, even inside a cinema, science finds its way to sneak in. What exactly is a projectile motion? It happens when an object is thrown or launched into the air and follows a curved path called trajectory. When you toss that popcorn toward your mouth, two things happen. You give it forward motion with your hand and a gravity pulls it downward. Together, those two forces create the curved path the popcorn follows. That's projectile motion. Once it leaves your hands, it becomes a projectile, which means only gravity and a little air affects its movement. Projectile motion is made up of two parts: horizontal motion, where the popcorn moves forward, and vertical motion, where it is pulled down by gravity. The forward speed stays constant, but gravity keeps pulling it faster downward. When you combine both, the popcorn forms a smooth, curved shape, kind of like rainbow made of snacks. The trick behind a perfect popcorn toss is all about angle and force. If you throw it too softly, it falls short. Too strong, and it flies past your face. But if you toss it just right, around a 45-degree angle, it travels the perfect distance and lands straight into your mouth. That's because a 45-degree throw gives the best balance between how far and how high it goes. It is the perfect example of how physics works naturally in something so small and fun. So next time you're chilling in the cinema, remember when you toss a popcorn into your mouth, you are not just snacking, you are demonstrating a projectile motion. It is funny to think that while you are relaxing, you're also doing science without even knowing it. Popcorn, movies, a little bit of physics. Now that's what I call the perfect movie night combo.